Alright guys, so we're back with another random video. Nothing to do with cars. The one big problem we have with our shop is when you're in here, you have no cell service at all. So we took a shot in the dark. We went on Amazon and we got like a $200 cell booster. It looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna open it up here and see what we got and see how bad this is gonna be installed really quick and test it out. So these we don't need. Actually, I'm gonna pretend I don't need them and then read them when I'm not recording. First things first, this bad boy. Try to open it up. This is the stuff that goes inside here. So this guy you just plug it in on the wall and it should boost it. So this guy I'm actually hoping to put right in the middle of the shop and kind of maybe put on that side just to get right in the middle. Here's my cable. I gotta run outside. Brackets, actually that's for that, to plug it in. Bracket to mount that guy. Here's another bracket to mount it. And this is the actual guy that goes aside. Here's the antenna for it, zip tie. Ooh, that was light. Real light. So, that's all it is. This guy goes outside in the corner. And I'm hoping that this will actually help get signal in here. Besides that, I'm going to take a quick look on how to actually mount this on the wall, how I'm going to do it outside. And then I'll check back with you guys and show you that. And then for running the cable inside, honestly for now, I'm just gonna run it really quick just to see if it works. And if it works, I'll go back and clean it up because I don't want to waste all my time if it's not even gonna work. So let's get going and see if this works. Wow, not that you guys can tell, but I now have full 5G, full bars on my phone, which I've never had in our shop before at all. Never had it. Maybe had 1 or 2 bars if you're by the radio or over there, but never had full bars. So this thing right now, I got it hooked up temporarily just to see, kind of the mindset I want to see if it works before I spend all this time running it nicely underneath the mezzanine or up top and doing all this stuff. So all they did was just basically plugged it in. And as you can tell, got a couple lights on. I still could get a better signal, it looks like. But that's come. I need an extension ladder and I got to go up on the side of the building and get as high as I can. But for now, it's just basically literally stretched right across. And we'll go show you outside how it is and then go from there. See, as you can tell, I literally have it from under the door, popped up on this thing. So it's not even as high as it goes. I would like it more up there or even more in the middle of the building, but I'll probably pop it out there and just put a little pipe or something, stand it on. So, yeah, so I can take this all down and then start mounting that and then probably do that another day when I have a ladder and it's daytime. So, but let's go inside and start running it nicely. Oh, jumped ahead a little bit, but we got that guy up now. It runs all the way underneath here. All under here, and then it goes up and then out. Riley came up the other day, and then we basically mounted it. Riley did fuck up his hand, though, because he's a klutz. Right, Riley?
Yeah, slipped off the ladder. Didn't fall off the roof, but...
Close to you. But I'm going to take you guys and show you what it looks like out there really quick, because I know you guys all care. I know. Really quick. Just want to do something different, you know. We don't always just work on cars up here, I guess. So, but if you look up there, that's all it is. Just a little guy right there. And honestly, it makes a big difference for $200 because we have full bars now in our shop. So that's what you guys are trying to do. Trust me, Amazon, it works. Well, guys, if you like seeing that kind of stuff, let us know. Maybe we can keep doing it because I know that 20 of you guys may want to see stuff like that. So just let us know if you like that. And we are doing some improvements. We're going to get this fridge going and possibly either put it down here or up there. We're not sure yet, so we'll figure that out. But maybe we'll make a video on that. But for now, just like and subscribe.